All right, so the next part of Pythagorean theorem, and the last one, you made it through, is the distance between 2 points. You have a paper that you got when you walked in that is going to have all the practice problems written on it. So you'll just kind of go ahead and do it through there. I do want you to write down these 3 bullet points in your spiral. If you need an idea of what format your notes are going to be in, you can look at my example online. Or you can just make your own format. It's up to you. So we're going to connect the 2 points to create a right triangle. If we are trying to find distance, we're going to use Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the hypotenuse. If there is no picture, we're going to make sure we draw one every time. If there's no picture, we're always going to draw one. That's so important. Okay, so let's look at this first one. We're trying to find the distance from Whataburger to Target. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our pencil and we're going to connect these dots just like this. And then we're going to draw a right triangle that connects them. Okay, do y'all see how it's a right triangle? Because it has the square right here. Now we have to count. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a length of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. And this is what we're trying to find. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug this into Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. It doesn't matter which one is a or b or c. Well, c does matter, but a and b do not. So we are going to have 5 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. 25 plus 36 equals c squared. So now we have 61 equals c squared. Now we're going to go back to like what we did earlier, where we find the square root of our answer. So c is about 7.8. So the distance from Whataburger to Target is 7.8 in whatever units that we're using. We have one more problem. Y'all are going to solve the rest of these on your own. I'm just going to walk you through these two. So we're trying to get from the football field to HMS. But we want to find the shortest distance. That's what the whole thing of the hypotenuse is, the shortest distance possible. So the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Then it's 1, 2, 3 here. You're just counting the boxes, y'all. And then we're trying to find C. So we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We're going to have 5 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. So 25 plus 9 equals c squared. 34 equals c squared. Then we're going to find the square root of 34. And c is going to be about 5.8. So that would be how we calculate distance between 2 points using Pythagorean theorem. We can't just count because it's a diagonal. We have to actually use Pythagorean theorem and calculate it.